content on our YouTube channel, please subscribe, hit the like button, turn on the notifications, and we will continue posting daily update videos of our new incoming inventory. We have a large selection of late model foreign and domestic repairable vehicles. Right now you're looking at a 2020 BMW 230xi. We purchased this vehicle with freshwater flood damage. As you can see, the water line was very low. No moisture or condensation in the headlights. No rust or corrosion under the hood. Very nice vehicle. It starts, it drives. Now, it looks like it's a vehicle that we're going to build. It's pretty dry inside. There's no detectable water line. Nice sunroof. Body's very clean. A couple scratches on the rear bumper. Nothing major. Overall, nice vehicle. Take a look inside. Seat tracks are clean, no rust or corrosion, all good signs. There's a key. Seems like it's powered up. No smell, no foul odor, no mold. Carpet's dry. It turned out to be a nice builder. We'll go through it, pull the interior, make sure it's dry, make sure the contacts are clean, make sure everything works. We do offer financing on our vehicles that we rebuilt. A lot of time and effort goes into these vehicles. We make sure they're right for the next owner. This way there's no issues down the road. This one will be on the website very soon. Thanks for watching.